Hey, this is Jason. So a while back, some of you may remember this video here where I snapped it in half. Well, today we fix it and we make it whole again. So I hope you enjoy. Take care. What were you thinking? You don't jump up here, okay? I am not always talking to you. Okay, so the second repair of the day is done. And that's what it looks like. I know it's got holes in it and stuff, but I'm just reusing what I have. So, like I said, this is the inner sleeve of a basement dual post, and it fit in here pretty good. And then I cut slots so it would collapse. I welded it, and then I got one spot weld there. And then I went ahead and put the end of the wooden handle on the end here. Just gave me a couple more inches, so it's back to normal length, or original length, I should say. So yeah, that's it. That's how you repair a broken PV or cant hook or log turner, whatever you want to call it. So hopefully that helps somebody, and we'll catch you on the next one.